Is monsoon cough only due to cold or could it be something else? Let us find out today. Hi all, this is Dr. Saujanya. Visit us at Kamneni Hospital for all kinds of respiratory and allergy care. Thank you.